Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 2 of class 5th GK subject, that is the living world. Okay, in this chapter we focus mainly 3 points. First, our amazing planet. Second, protect the earth. And the third one, quiz discover the nature. Okay, and also solve some exercise related to these topics. So one by one we discuss all the points. So let's start. The the first topic of this chapter is the amazing planet. Okay, as we know, our earth is an unique planet. It is the only planet containing sufficient water and air around it. It has also got colorful nature, full of diversities. And at present, our scientists try to discover a new planet as same as Earth. Also found some more important point about our Earth. Okay, but at present there are no any other planet like our Earth, because in this planet we have found lot of things which is also some disaster and helpful to our Earth. Okay, the first one is our volcano is a mountain topped with vent hole and craters. Okay, tide is a periodical rise and fall of the seawater. The rise and the fall water generally occurs alternative twice a day. And the next, waterfall is a flow of water in a water course from a height. Okay, and the next one is a tsunami is a series of waves that may be danger and destructive. When you hear a tsunami warning, move at once to a higher ground and till stay there until local authorities say it is safe to return home. Okay, also in this planet you have found earthquake. The earthquake are caused due to the shaking and shifting of earth plates. Earthquake strikes suddenly and violently. And also you have seen flood. The flood are the most common and whispered of all nature disaster except fire. Okay, so these are the some points regarding the earth planet who have who have in benefit, not in benefited, but it affect the earth. Okay, the next topic of this chapter is to protect the earth. Okay, everyone wants to protect himself, so try to protect also our earth. There are so many ways to protect our earth. Okay, first of all, you know that how to protect the earth. Man has always explosive and the environmental. Explosive means to destroy the our environment. Okay, in how many ways, or in how, in how to ways? Increasing populations, industrialization, and pollutions are some basic reason for creating some serious problem on the earth. Here are a few facts on environments. There are 7 main facts about how to affect about our environment. Okay, deep root hold a tree and the topsoil to deeper layer and reduce the chance of the landslide. If you if you if you help your planet, if you help our environment, so you have must to do plant a tree, so many plants. Okay, the next, the aluminum can is by far the most recycled packing in the world. Okay. the, Another is lack of safe drinking water and sanitization is the world's single largest cause of illness. In the next, Himachal Pradesh, in the same, Himachal Pradesh is the first India state to have banned the production, storage, uses, sale and distribution of polythene bags. Polythene bag is also affect our environment because polythene bags cannot be decomposed, so or polythene bag cannot be fired. So polythene bags affect our environment. There are not only these points that affect our environment. There are so many points that affect our earth. Okay, you have to write four basic points about how we protect our earth. This is your homework. Now the next point of this chapter is quiz discover the nature. Okay, here are exercise about discover our nature. So first is fill in the blanks with the correct word. You have to fill the correct word. Okay, the first one is the high flat land is called plates. The next one is the bottom of the sea is known as. So the bottom of the sea is seabed. Okay. In the next, a dash is a tropical storm in the region of the Indian and the Western Pacific Ocean. So what is that? That is typhoon. Okay. The next is and dash is a house always covered with snow. So name of that house is igloo. Okay. The next is a dash is a waterless desolate area typically covered with sand. So this type of area is known as desert. Okay. The next one is a lake is a body of dash with land around it. So water. The next is Katrina, Rita and Williams are the name of hurricanes. In the last, a dash is a strong wind whose speed varies. So what is this? Storm. Okay. The next one is there are some options, two options. You have to tick mark the correct one. Okay, or you have to write the correct one. The first one is what is the huge sea waves creating by earthquake called? So the answer is tsunami. Okay. The next is what is the topmost crust of the earth called? So the answer is lithosphere. And the third, what type of rock cannot float on water? That is, what type of rock cannot float on water? So the answer is basalt. And the next, which type of region has tall, densely polluted tree? The answer is rainforest. Okay. The next, up to what height does the atmosphere of the earth exist? So about 1000 kilometer height of the atmosphere of earth exists. Okay. Then the last is where is the ring of fire, a chain of volcano located? It means in which place where the ring of fire is located. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Okay. And the last one is match the following columns. Okay. So what we call So cutting of trees, what we call, if of cutting of trees is called deforestation. Okay. Planting more tree, if you if someone planting more trees, then what we call afforestation. Okay. Now the next is depletion of the ozone layer leads to global warming. And the last, plastic polluted the environmental as it is not biodegradable. Okay. Biodegradable means those substance or those things which cannot be which can affect our environment, so, and they cannot decompose. That type of substance is known as biodegradable. Okay. In this way, I completed your second chapter of class 5th. Okay. Hope you understand this chapter, and if there is any confusion, so arise a question in a group so that I will clear your answer doubts. Okay. And note down all the exercise in your copy, and also write down in your book. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.